Trouble sleeping? Put an end to snoring with this useful advice. Don't let snoring come between you and a loved one. While it often leads to people sleeping in separate rooms, it doesn't have to be this way. Instead, try out the suggestions from this video and see if you can't both get a better night's rest starting even tonight. Drinking alcohol too close to bedtime can result in snoring. This happens because alcohol tends to relax the throat muscles, which leads to tightened airways. As a result, snoring is more likely to occur. The best way to avoid snoring due to alcohol consumption is to stop drinking spirits at least 5 to 6 hours before bedtime. Do not eat a meal just before bed. Having a full stomach can put pressure on your lungs and throat, which can in turn cause snoring. To stop this from happening, do not eat for roughly an hour before you go to bed. Not only will you sleep quietly, but your sleep will likely be more restful. People who are a little bigger and overweight are more likely to snore because of the excess fat they have in their neck. The additional fat constricting the nasal passages of fat people compounds the problem. Lose weight and you'll find it makes a huge difference. In addition to looking and feeling more active, you will sleep snore-free as well. To deal with snoring in a relationship, it's important to communicate honestly with your partner. If your snoring is keeping your significant other awake at night, the frustration can wear on both of you. Work together to find a solution to the problem, so you can stop snoring and strengthen your relationship at the same time. Smoking tobacco makes snoring worse, so people that snore should quit smoking. Until you can quit, you should limit your smoking as much as possible, especially before bedtime. Smoking causes your throat, mouth, and nasal passages to swell up and become inflamed. If you do not smoke for several hours before bed, your tissues have a chance of returning to normal, which will help reduce your snoring. If you have snoring issues, look at your medications to see if they might be causing it. Some medications will dry out your sinuses, causing your throat to swell and obstruct airflow. Some medicines have the opposite effect, loosening your throat muscles and causing them to collapse inward. There you have it. Lots of great information on snoring and ways that you can prevent it. There is a lot to learn and a lot of things to consider when you decide what options you should try, but hopefully the information here has been well presented and helpful to you. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.